if we go to the menu item tab on the left, you see it brings up all of our menu items. We currently have 12 pages. The black circle means you can sort by any of this information. Pencil means you can edit an existing menu item, and the X means you can delete an item. If you put several X's by several different items, you can delete those items at one time. If you put the X at the top, that deletes all of your items, all 12 pages, so be careful not to check that box unless you really mean that. You can also sort by category, by location, or find a specific item. Okay, so if we're going to add an item, we can click the Add Item. And again, multiple ways to get to where we need to. You can click Menu Items and Add Item. So once you click the Add Item, you'll be brought to the Food Add Item window. You want to work your top down like everything else. So we're going to put in here our menu item, which is vanilla bean ice cream, spelled correctly. We're going to put that in our category of ice cream. Description is a field that only appears for the kitchen staff. It's nothing that will appear on a label, so you are not able to print anything from the description field. SKU, anything you want. This is a text field, so you can use it for a SKU number if you have such, or any other information. Barcode, notice it must be a 12 or 14-digit code. 12-digit is an UPC-A format, so make sure your barcode system generator is UPC-A formatted. 14-digit barcode, I believe, is TIF format, so make sure your 14-digit barcode is a TIF format. QR code, you would put your information here and it generates the QR code. List price, please note the $ and decimal must be noted. Custom menu item field, this is just that, a custom menu item field that can be used for anything that you need it to be used for. It can be used for cooking instructions, baking instructions, special message, weight, anything that you need. Notice you can bold, italicize, or underline this information. Then we have our food expiration up here. You can put expires at end of day if you want to indicate the number of days or hours. If there are more dates you'd like to enter in, hit the drop down and you'll see more dates appear. Scrolling down further, you have apply these locations. You need to indicate which locations this menu item will apply to. So you will need to click either add all locations or add a certain location. Scrolling down even further, you'll see the nutritional information, ingredients, allergens, and all of the nutritional information. Please note you do not need to include ingredients : or allergens : as that automatically will appear. The Dayco Genie does not generate your nutritional fact information, but if you put the numbers in, it will put that on the table for you. Then if you have additional languages enabled, that information would be put here. Once you have all of the information in, we'll add just a little bit here so you can see how it appears. You would go up and click the Add Item. We can then sort by category. And you will see our ice cream has been added. Now, instead of sorting that way, we could sort the day that it was added, in which case our ice cream will be at the top of our list.